Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account permanently. This is the latest method in 2022 and it is going to be equally helpful for you for both Android and iPhone users. So with that being said, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is open up the Instagram app on your phone, and on the main page or your profile page, just click on the three bars on the top right corner, and then you need to go to settings. You might have the settings down at the bottom if you're an iPhone user, but click on settings and then scroll down and then click on help option. After the help option, you need to click on help center. This will open up the help center options here. We can't see the deleting of Instagram account option here, so you need to click on the three bars on the top right corner again, and that will give you some options here. Then you need to click on manage your account. Over here you'll see an option of delete your account. Click on that, and here you can see different options. You can either temporarily disable your Instagram account or you can delete it permanently. For the deletion, you need to click on the second option, how do I delete my Instagram account. When you click on that, it will give you some details here. You need to scroll down, and then down at the bottom you'll see an option of go to the delete your account page. Click on that link here, and that will open up another page for you. Over here, here you need to give them a reason why you want to delete it. You can put in anything, just say too many ads or privacy concerns or anything like that. Just select an option, it doesn't really matter. And then down at the bottom, you need to re-enter your password. Once you enter your password, then you need to click on the option which it gives you. In my case, it says delete HNS Academy. For you, it will give you your profile or username. So you'll have 1 month. For me, it is until the 16th of February. So you'll have 1 month period, and they will keep the data in your profile for next month. After that, it will be deleted permanently. Within next month's of period, you can always come back to your account, log in, and then you will be able to recover your account this way. So this is all the detail there is regarding how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments how this was helpful. If you have any queries, let us know in the comments as well. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.